Excellent. Someone has restored all power.
Sorry, Doc, but
We'll have the engine.
look who's
Oh,
here.
dear. You've come just in time.
I'm not going anywhere. Can't look.
May be too late for Gordon. Military forces are tracking his position with some success. Maybe you could destroy these tracking devices
Get it off me!
Well, the dimensional breach is definitely transmitting organic matter.
Okay, I don't blame you for hesitating, but if we're gonna do this thing, then forget about that, Doc. Since he's not taking the streets, you might as well get
Gordon, please. Barney has been leading a push.
Got one! There's an old building up ahead, a bank or museum or something like that. Whatever the hell it used to be, now it's a nexus for Overwatch in City 17.
I see your HEV suit still fit. Teleportation isn't as simple as going from point A to point B. We discovered a strange border world that was somehow involved in the process, and this kept us from accurately predicting where any given teleportation event would lead to back on Earth. Some of the more promising research on the matter led to a device that could be attached to the strange crystalline structure. This suggests an entirely new line of investigation.
As a matter of fact, I found myself in some interesting company. I mean, suddenly, it occurred to me that being a collector's item means being part of history.
Right you are. Speak to you again in a few moments. Let's see. I've clamped the manifold parameters to CY base and LG orbifold.
Don't you think you should pre-program me? I have numerous complex systems which could be adversely affected, being part of history.
This device could then be used as a focal point and a relay to aid in the teleportation. Well, in theory, that is.
Voice module is one of my special features.
We later discovered other methods of aiming the fields, but all of the equipment in this lab uses the older technology.
Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is. Yeah, you and me both, Doc.
Once we were able to consistently create the teleporter field, we ran into new problems. In order for any of us to get out of here alive, someone will need to go to the border world and activate the device. I'm afraid you're the only one that can do this.
Doc, we don't have time for this.
Seeing as how everyone else will be needed to run the equipment, we should be able to get you fairly close to where the survey team had set up.
Hello, the Automatic Diagnostic and Announcement System welcomes you to the Black Mesa Research Facility. Remember, have a secure day.
Good morning, Mr. Freeman.
Indeed.
Get out of here! Here it comes!
Major fracture detected.
Hurry up!
A voice module is one of my special features.
I have lost my... Follow me!
I did.
Uh-oh! Look out!
Well, you won't have to worry about that with me. But there's no cause for alarm.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV Protective System for use in hazardous environment conditions.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
No! Get it off me! Get it off!
No way. See you later.